body through the nose or mouth and travels toward the lungs through a network of airways. The trachea, also known as the windpipe, acts as the main passageway for air to reach the lungs. Air enters the body through the nose or mouth and travels toward the lungs through a network of airways. The trachea, also known as the windpipe, acts as the main passageway for air to reach the lungs.
The trachea divides into two bronchi, sending air separately to each lung. Inside the lungs, bronchi branch into thousands of smaller tubes called bronchioles.
These bronchioles end in millions of tiny air sacs known as alveoli.
Alveoli have extremely thin walls, allowing gases to move easily between air and blood.
When we inhale, oxygen fills the alveoli deep inside the lungs. Oxygen passes through the alveoli walls and enters the bloodstream through tiny capillaries. At the same time, carbon dioxide moves from the blood into the alveoli to be removed.
When we exhale, carbon dioxide leaves the lungs and exits the body.
The diaphragm is a powerful muscle that helps the lungs expand and contract. As the diaphragm moves, the chest expands, allowing air to flow into the lungs.
Oxygen-rich blood travels from the lungs to every cell in the body.
The lungs work closely with the heart to maintain oxygen circulation.
The rib cage protects the lungs from physical damage. Tiny hair-like structures called cilia help trap dust and germs.
The lungs also play a role in defending the body from infections. The brain automatically controls how fast we breathe.
During rest, the lungs work slowly and efficiently.
During exercise, the lungs work harder to supply more oxygen.
Healthy lungs are essential for energy, strength, and overall health. Pollution can damage lung tissue and reduce breathing efficiency.
Smoking severely harms the lungs and reduces oxygen intake. The lungs can expand and adapt to the body's oxygen needs.
The lungs work continuously from birth throughout life.
The lungs allow breathing, oxygen delivery, and carbon dioxide removal.
Understanding how the lungs work helps us appreciate and protect this vital organ.